Last week, we learned about where rivers start and where they end. So pause for a moment and think about what you remember. Where do rivers start? Where do they end? Now, let's start thinking about the Strange River again. Look at the map and figure out where the Strange River starts. That's this one. Then, look at where the Missouri River starts. Where do the rivers go after they come together? After you're done reviewing the map, let's take a look at our Strange River models that we made. And these two example students are going to take a look at theirs. She says, "This is so cool. I learned new things about rivers. I need to make a new drawing. Here's my old drawing. What should I change on my new drawing? And what should I keep the same?" Remember, in her old drawing, she said that the Missouri River started in the mountains, that's why it was so clean, and the Strange River started at the ocean and flowed into a different ocean. She says, "Yep, I need to change the Strange River. It should start at a mountain. But that means that the beach sand is not what's making the river brown. I'm not sure why it's brown. Do you have any ideas?" "I think I need to make a new drawing too. Here's my old drawing." Take a look at his old drawing and figure out what he should change for his new drawing and what he should keep the same. "I need to change these two parts. The Missouri River starts near a mountain. The rivers come together at the end at the sea. I still think a sandy hill might be what's making the Strange River brown, but he's going to change the start of the Missouri River to be a mountain and the end of the river to be the sea." Now it's your turn. I've uploaded a Strange River second draft for you to work on. It's exactly the same as before, where the background is the diagram, and you can draw or use words or pictures to add to it or change things. When you make your drawing this time, let's add some labels. We're going to put the word mountain next to each mountain. You might write the word in a slightly different spot than we did in the video, and that's okay. But from the word mountain, connect a line to the mountain. The very start of a river is called the source. Label the source of each river. Then draw a line to each source. Draw the river ending at a beach at the ocean. The end of a river is called the mouth. Label the mouth on your drawing. Do you have any new ideas for why the two rivers are such different colors? Add any new ideas you might have. Over here in your Jamboard, I added those words that you need to add somewhere in your drawing. We've got mountain, mountain, source, source, and mouth. You'll need to put those words where they belong in your model after you draw what you think the start and ends of the rivers look like. You can add more words, lines like arrows, and other details to your work to show your thinking. And I'm going to change the name. This is not your first draft, this is your second draft. Every time we come back to this, you're changing your thinking to make it more and more like what's happening in real life. That's exactly what scientists do. As they learn, they update the model that explains what's happening. That's all for now. See you in the next video.